Hey friends, today I'm going to share with you a really simple tutorial for a print-on-demand product that's bringing in some Etsy sellers 5 figures monthly. This combination that I'm going to share with you is going viral currently. So it's hats, embroidery, and text-based hats. So not like this, even though this is cute. I made this for myself for the summer, and I just simply made this within Canva. I found these 3 elements that I liked, I put them together and quickly made a hat. But I'm going to show you what I mean by text-based in this video. All right, so here we are in Etsy, and I literally typed in text-based hats, but even if you just typed in hats, a lot of the text-based hats are going to show up because that's what's selling. So for example here's a custom text one, and take a look at its monthly sales, over 1,000 monthly sales on this custom text hat. Now, I don't personally suggest putting up a custom text listing for hats. I mean, you can totally try it, but you're going to be competing with people who are already bestsellers for this. And I don't want to steer you away from doing custom products on Etsy because there's definitely a lot of money to be made when you're doing personalized items. Just make sure that you're doing something that stands out among the other Etsy sellers, among the other bestsellers. For example, this one right here stands out to me because it's an upside down embroidery print, which I have been seeing pop up on my For You pages. So this definitely is a new trend on the rise that if you hopped into it earlier on, that you might have some success in it. Or if you see another type of hat that Printify has to offer that isn't really offered on Etsy just yet, that would be another way to stand out as well with custom hats. What I suggest for text-based hats is to find a niche that's in demand that's not already offering text-based hats, or maybe they only have a few listings in that niche so far, so that you can get in there and take over the market for that. These are needed in all different niches, even the most random ones, guys. These are definitely huge in the bachelorette niche, so I'm going to show you some examples. And I love the bachelorette niche because when you get one sale, it might be for like 8 people or 20 people, depending on how many people are going to the bachelorette party, right? And take a look at how simple some of these are. This just has an Aperol spritz design on it, and these just have initials, and the bride's hat, I'm assuming, is the white one. Bridesmaids ones are the other colors. And I'm going to show you too within Printify, there are all different hat styles. As you're seeing here, Printify offers many different hat styles that you can choose from as well. And you don't have to do embroidery. However, the embroidery ones tend to be the best sellers on Etsy at the moment. Always make sure that you are, looking up on uspto.gov to make sure that things aren't trademarked. Like happy camper might be trademarked. I'm pretty sure like the saying like wife of the party and then the party is trademarked. So always do your due diligence with that. Like right here, I think that that's trademarked. Just be careful. And right now we're seeing a mix of like graphics and text, and some just have text. I'm telling you, the ones that I've been seeing in my product research the most, doing the best, are the simplest ones that just have a simple white font. So we're going to jump in. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I would do this. I don't know why Canva's not loading for me right now. So we're going to go to my other go-to site, which is Playground. The reason I wanted to use Canva for this specific design is because I'm not using a graphic like Playground has to offer. I literally just wanted to type in a saying and put it in a white cursive font and call it a day. But Playground's going to come to the rescue for me here. So I actually like this font here. Pasta is my love language. I'm going to click into this, and I'm going to, and I'm going to erase this object here. And I'm going to have it change the text to say brunch vibes. I want to make a hat for the brunch niche. So change text to brunch vibes. Put text in one line. Perfect. Thank you, Playground. And now I want to say change text color to white. Side note, if you haven't tried Playground yet, you're definitely going to want to try it out for free with the link in my description below. And if you enjoy it, the pro version is $15 monthly, but this has been a game changer for my print-on-demand business. I'm able to make so many different types of trending designs in a matter of seconds. So go check that out with the link in my description below. Okay, absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to come here to export, and then I'm going to upscale this and remove the background because I don't want this background on the hat. So upscale and remove background. Okay, and now I'm going to download upscaled. And now I am in Printify, and I'm going to come over here to hats. And now not all of these are embroidery, but a lot of them are. You will see in parentheses next to the title if it has embroidery. And actually here is an example, a bucket hat. I didn't see too many bucket hats with embroidery just yet, so that could be something that is needed in the market that you might want to test, especially with the custom hats like we talked about. And here is the one that I actually use. This is the vintage embroidery hat. This is the one that you saw in the beginning of my video. So we would go to start designing, and I'm going to pick black for this, and then I would come over here and just upload from my device. Okay, so I have my design centered. I want to preview to see what it looks like. Okay, perfect. And here's the example of it on somebody. Perfection. And now you might be wondering, well, what about the mock-ups? Which mock-ups am I going to use for this? Come back to my next video. I'll be posting this next week-ish, where I'm going to show you how you can make mock-ups using Printify and Playground AI, the same tool that I just showed you to design in. You can actually, there's a way to make really high quality, professional looking mock-ups using the exact product from Printify, which is important because, you know, there was that whole thing with AI mock-ups on Etsy. There was like that whole big drama, you know, like 6 months ago. The main issue was that people were putting AI mock-ups up of different products than what they were selling. Like say, for example, they were selling a Bella Canvas t-shirt, but their mock-up was just like a person in a random t-shirt that wasn't Bella Canvas. So then people were ordering stuff and not getting the exact product that was in the product image. So now I found a way to use the exact product that you are selling from Printify and turn it into a mock-up using Playground AI. So be on the lookout for that video sometime next week. It's a game changer because you're able to sell all of these random products within Printify, whereas before I was like hesitant to sell certain products within Printify because I couldn't get a good enough mock-up photo. So game changer. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But basically that was my quick and easy, simple tutorial on how to make an embroidered hat using Printify. If you made it this far in my video, comment hats off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.